Biology presentation by Suhani Verma from class 9. The topic is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting and watershed management. Rainwater harvesting. Groundwater resource gets naturally recharged through percolation, but due to indiscriminate development and rapid urbanization, exposed surface for soil has been reduced drastically with the resultant reduction in percolation of rainwater, thereby depleting groundwater resource. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rain rather than allowing to run off. It is one of the best ways for saving rainwater. Rainwater harvesting is mostly free from harmful chemicals which make it suitable for irrigation purposes and other work also. It helps us in many ways. Following are: the rainwater can be used in watering the garden, irrigation purposes, livestock, domestic use with proper treatment. In urban agriculture, rainwater harvesting reduces the impact of runoff and flood. It helps us in reducing the temperature of about 1.3 degrees Celsius. Rainwater harvesting also reduces salt accumulation in the soil, which can be harmful to root growth. When rainwater percolates into the soil, it forces the soil salt down and away from the root zone. This allows for greater root growth and water uptake, which increases the drought tolerance of plants. Goals: it reduces soil erosion, it increases groundwater level, it prevents rainwater pollution, it meets the water demand. Need for rainwater harvesting. Major part of our country has been facing continuous failure of monsoon and consequent deficit of rainfall over the last few years. Also, due to ever-growing population of India, the use of groundwater has been increased drastically, leading to constant depletion of groundwater level, causing the wells and tube wells to dry out. Out of 8,760 hours in the years, most of the rain in India falls in just 1,000 hours. Rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and oldest methods of conserving water in India. This method has been practiced by many countries like Kenya, UK, Canada and Germany. Components of rainwater harvesting system. The first one is catchment, which is used to collect the rainwater. Conveyance system is used to transport the harvested rainwater from the catchment to the recharge zone. Flush is used to flush out the first spell of rain. Filter is used for filtering the collected rainwater and remove pollutant. Flush and the recharge structure is used to store the filtered water which is ready to use. Conveyance system: first flush, catchment and the recharge structure. Two ways of harvesting rainwater are surface runoff harvesting and rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rooftop rainwater harvesting, surface rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a good alternative and replacement time of drought or when water table drop and wells go dry. Save rainwater through rainwater harvesting. Thank you.